All right, so immediately upon plugging it in, I'm getting a reading, a light up screen. So I'm gonna test the alarm clock, the radio, charger, etc., and see how it goes. This one also comes with a remote, so I think this may be more desirable because it has a remote with it. I've tested the clock, and now the alarm clock is going off because I've set it for 9:42. Let's hit the snooze button. All right, we're gonna snooze for 10 minutes. We're gonna snooze for 20. Let's go back to some radio.
You know,
IU Health 24/7 ER care for kids available.
it's alive!
It works.